Welcome to the tetradecahedron through myopia inner sight. Yeah, this is me. I'm over here in the living room, living. But I gotta tell you, for honest, long time I've just been surviving. Just hanging in here, and I made a great decision between the two Buddhist conferences I went to at the FNCC. Try Google it, man. F like Florida, and like nature, C like culture, C like center. Look it up and see if maybe you want to go there someday. Put your dream on it. But at any rate, I went there 2 times this summer, and then I came back on the plane. And while I was there, I got so many benefits. I found out that rather than, looking for the garden, I am the garden, I am the garden, and not so much worrying about looking at those weeds, but just, checking out the flowers and watching for the pollinators and, watching for the children to come and play in the garden. So, yeah, I'm the garden of Soka. I found that out. But the other thing I found out was, man, I've just only been surviving with my knee. Maybe 2 knees, but at least 1 knee. I have good news. I'm gonna have the courage to do a total knee replacement surgery. Now, that's my plan. I'm going to my primary care physician this week, and I'll update you on that. I'm gonna check with him and have him do all the proper x-rays and whatever kind of imaging, he wants to do, so I can move forward and see what's really going on in there. But 3 years ago, when he first taken a look at those x-rays, and he said to me, yeah, you got a bone on this one side, Over here, there's something else is going on, osteo, whatever. It's arthritis, And he said, yeah, put off the knee replacement surgery as long as possible. But I've already done as long as possible. I'm not no stay-at-home. I'm not no regular grandma, If I gotta be grandma, I gotta be grandma for these kids and go to the baseball game and go up and check out Soka University with the kids, I want to go down the hill to the beach and not stay up above, and I want to go looking at really and checking out the canyons and Moab over here and get off of the cart, you know what I mean? Instead of just like, I want to go places instead of looking for young people to take my kids to go places. In actuality, I've been doing that for a while, and it has to do with my right knee. So I'm going to keep you updated on that one. I just thought I'd let you know now. It's a big decision I made, and thank you for visiting me and caring about me, and I care about you too. So I just want you to become happy, and I'm working on it, man. I'm trying to take care of myself. Not just so I can take care of others, but I want to take care of myself so I can become happy. And thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.